Well, we haven't been making videos lately because we live in Oklahoma and it's been up to 114 degrees in the last 4 weeks, and pretty much over 100 degrees every day. And I had heat stroke a couple weeks ago, so I've been down out of it a little bit. But we're back at it. Today we're going to put front adapter spacers, wideners on the front of the baja here. These front tires actually, they don't actually, they rub when I turn them full tilt. So yeah, I got to space them out a little bit, nothing that big. I bought the same pattern adapters that bolt on. So it'll actually, you take the wheel off, you bolt this on the hub, and then it offsets and the wheel bolts back on. So it's actually safer than just a spacer itself. But anyway, that's what we're going to do today. So let me get the jack out and we'll get after it. I have my electric impact, Harbor Freight sockets, my adapter spacer, and the lug nuts on the car are 19. Probably on the spacer too, let's check. Yep. Okay. Now, I don't know that I've put this car in a video actually yet, but this is my split window replica Volkswagen Baja Bug. Bought it for $50, and well, it wasn't like this. It was like this, but as far as the tires and wheels and brakes and the engine, transmission, and it didn't have any of that in it yet. So since then I put 4-wheel disc brakes on it, cross-drilled rotors, brand new calipers, the ATE calipers, dual reservoir or dual pattern master cylinder, all new lines, braided brake hoses. In the back has new brake hoses, everything, new axles, transaxles rebuilt. This has a 2054 2-liter. It's got some Porsche parts, some Volkswagen parts, some aircraft parts, just whatever we had laying around. But anyway, so what we're going to do today is, this is typical Porsche 5-on-130 lug pattern, because these are Porsche Fuchs. And so this is a 5-on-130, and it just adapts it over to 5-on-130. So anyway, that's what we're doing. There'll be more videos on this car at a later time, but for now we're just showing you putting the adapter on so that the tires don't rub the inner fenders, because these are kind of tall BF Goodriches. But for now, this is probably about the only video you're going to see of the car for a while. We've got other projects. Always start your lug nuts by hand so you don't cross thread them. Always try to get 5 or more spins, threads, before you start running up with the gun. I'm just going to suck them up. I'm not going to go real hard on them yet. Now we'll put them on down. Now what I've effectively done is this is a 1-inch spacer, and it moves the whole wheel and tire package out 1 inch. So whenever it only rubbed during turning, so it would rub right in here, and it would rub on that front bar. So now she shouldn't rub, and it only rubbed on full lock. It didn't rub on barely turning it. So yes, while I paid $50 for this car, I have way more than $50 in it. So don't ask if I'll sell it for $50. Okie doke, that's that side. Let's move to the passenger side and do it. Alright, here we are on the passenger side. Then, put the spacer up. And then hinge starting the nuts on the spacer / adapter. These are brand new rotors. They're just surface rust because this car hasn't been drove much. That's about to change. About 2 or 3 of the Douglas. You'll never see me start a lug nut with a wrench or a machine. It'll always be by hand. And there it is. I have center caps for these, but I'll put those on a different day. But brand new BFG mud trains on Fuchs, on 4-wheel disc brakes. Makes for a nice baja. This is an IRS ball joint chassis car. And we're going to put a spun aluminum gas tank in it. And probably going to run it in the SCCA Rallycross series here local to me. But I got a few more things. I got to put a roll bar in it and seats with some harnesses and get a helmet. So still got a few things to do. Appreciate it. Thank you. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.